Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to upload a YouTube short straight from your PC? It's quick, easy, and here's how you can do it in under a minute. First of all, head to youtube.com and sign into your account if you haven't already. Next, click the create button. It's the little camera icon in the top right corner and select upload video. Now choose the video you want to upload. Remember, for it to count as a short, your video must be vertical at least 180 into 1920 and 60 seconds or less. On the details page, add hashtag shorts in your title or description. This helps YouTube categories it correctly. Fill in other details like the title, description, and thumbnail, then click next. Choose your visibility public, unlisted, or private and click publish. Boom. Your short is now live, and that's it. You have uploaded your YouTube shorts from your PC, ready to go viral. Give it a try today. Thanks for watching.